In the quiet corners of your garden, something is always at work. Roots stretching, leaves listening, soil breathing. But sometimes nature slows. Growth weakens. Pests arrive. It feels like something is missing. And often the answer is a forgotten remedy from the earth itself. Ginger. To make this natural plant protector, take 1 tablespoon of pure ginger powder, rich in natural oils and anti-fungal properties. Add it to 1 liter of warm water and stir well. Let this mixture sit for 30 to 60 minutes, allowing the ginger to fully release its healing compounds. After that, strain the liquid to remove any residue and pour it into a spray bottle. Now, spray the mixture on both sides of your plant leaves and around the base. The ginger-infused water works in 2 powerful ways. It strengthens plant immunity and keeps harmful insects like aphids, ants, and whiteflies away. It also helps prevent fungal diseases like mildew and root rot. You can use this spray once a week on vegetables, flowers, herbs, any plant needing a gentle boost. Unlike chemical sprays, this one won't harm beneficial insects or pollute your soil. It's nature helping nature. So next time your garden feels off balance, let the power of ginger bring it back to life. Like, share, and subscribe for more simple natural gardening remedies.